Hey, Pierre from MadKudu here. I wanted to share a quick video today explaining about our latest addition to our products. It's about Google Sheet add-on that's going to enable you to score leads in Google Sheet. Um, Before diving into how you can use the add-on, I wanted to share a few use cases. You can start using the add-on to score, outbound leads so that you're going to know exactly who to reach out to. You can also use the add-on by giving it to your partners or resellers so that they could score their own leads. Basically, these two use cases are focused on when you outreach to people, and that's going to enable you to reach out to the right companies and the right people at these companies, because we'll basically tell you who are the most likely to purchase your products. You could also, when you acquire very large list of leads and you don't want to add all of them to your CRMs, you could use the add-on in order to filter, your best leads to avoid, clutter, which may slow down your CRMs. You could also reactivate your best leads, looking at all the historical data. You could have a look at who is most likely to convert and then email to these people. That's something that you can do with the add-on. Installing the add-on is as simple as clicking on a few buttons, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So I've just opened up just a simple Google Sheet here. I'm going to click on add-ons, get add-ons. I'm going to search for MadKudu, and I will install the add-on. A small pop-up is going to show up asking you for permissions. So I'm going to select my Google account and allow the add-on. The add-on is now available from the add-on menu. I can then click on MadKudu, open, and here it is. The add-on has been installed. So how does it work? You just have to, select the email addresses or domain names that you want to enrich, and we will immediately get back and write to the sheet about the results. Let me quickly show you. So I'm going to select the list of email addresses that we have here. I'm going to select customer fit, persons, because these are email addresses, and I'm going to click on get predictions. And that's it. So you now have the scores and the customer fit segment available within your Google Sheet. It's as simple as that. And you can also score domain names. You want to score companies this time because this is only a domain name and we don't have any demographic data about these people because the only information we have is the domain. And click on get predictions. And in a few seconds, your scores will start filling in. If you have topical models available, and that may not be the case, you can also select these domains, click topical, and get predictions. You will have to select these models. If we haven't developed a custom model for you, you may want to speak to your account rep, and he will try to better understand your needs, and we will develop a model for you. We can discover, data like is e-commerce or do you have a shopping cart available on your website? What kind of technology do you use? It's a very powerful product, so feel free to speak to us. So I've shown you how does it work, and now a couple of the frequently asked questions. Who can use it? It's basically everyone. The only thing that's required is your API key. You can give access to that to whoever you want. Just make sure that your usage is also being counted in your package membership. So if someone is scoring these leads, this is going to count as usage for your model. Good news, the scores are customized to your specific business model. So the add-on is using your specific model. So whenever we show these scores, the higher the score, the more likely you are to become a paid customer. As mentioned, in terms of the cost, this is included in your current membership. There is no using the add-on is not going to cost you much more money. What might end up happening is that if you want to score 100,000 leads, this is going to count toward your usage quota. So you may want to reach out to us before you score any of these very large lists. You can get started right now. This is available starting today. And I'm going to add to the description a few key links that you can use with the documentation and links to install the add-on. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at pierre@madkudu.com. And yeah, see you soon.